All right, move the camera again. Finished draining the oil. Then I put the oil filter cap back on. Oil plug. Now I'll start disassembling everything here. Try to keep some good lighting here, but down in the basement I don't have one light over top me, so best I got for now. So again, we're diving into some gaskets. Diving in to replace the one-way bearing and check the starter clutch and see if that's any good. So here we're loosening up all the bolts. I'm wondering if I can just loosen these up. Leave that on, so we'll tighten that back up. So reverse. Good and tight. Alright, see here. This one, that one. Should have a tray for all the bolts here. Challenge. Getting to all of them. So I got a couple more connectors on this side. I'm wondering if my winch or plow mount's going to come off. Mine, and I gotta loosen the front axle and move that forward, so we're getting nowhere fast. Get this hose off here. That's not even really tight. Get loose. And clamp up. There we go, that came off, not too bad. Looking a little. There's a lot of connectors here. Left my small screwdriver on the other side. See if I can do this by hand. Good and tight. Can't get that one off. I need some pliers. Alright. Okay. Come off a pause and squeeze this connector. Came off really hard, so didn't film it. This next connector is gonna be a pain. I don't even know how that one comes off, so. Well, I gotta pause here because I gotta take the plate off for the mount plate. Okay, kind of resituated, jacked the front up to get the plow mount off the bottom. So now I can continue trying to remove the case bolts. And all my tools are over here, so still gotta get one connector off. I couldn't get off yet, but we'll see where we can go. Yeah, some of the bolts are underneath, and that plow mount was in the way. So, crawl down underneath. sure you're good and supported. Jack. Yeah, I probably should be using a ratchet wrench. Make this load a lot faster. That's awesome. Extension is not quite long enough. Remove this hose. There we go. All loose on this side, so we're going to move to the other side. Okay, over on the left side, the bike, loose with these bolts. Definitely feel like they're torqued down. Sure, there's a torque spec. Underneath on this one. This is not liking to catch that. So all the bolts are loosened, but I'll take them out. Guys had to watch that. Painful. Next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to loosen up the front axle and move it forward so I can get this. I'm gonna get this shaft out, so this will be the next step.